Alright you guys, today I'm going to make one of my own recipe for tuna casserole. I preheat the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the oven will be nice and hot. You're going to take 9 by 13 inch baking pan. I usually line it with aluminum foil to overlap it for easy cleanup and spray it with non-stick cooking spray that I'm going to use it with olive oil. What I have in this for the big bowl that I already cooked this pasta just be boiled about. I'm using 12 ounces of wild egg noodles, just nice and al dente. I read this on the back of the packet that tells you how to cook these pasta. Now, I already drained enough for this tuna. Only 2 cans. I usually put 5 ounces that I drain with water. Don't want to get this tuna too soggy. So I use it with a sieve because you get all this liquid out for this fish. I'm going to show you what it looks. This is the Bumblebee Chunk Light Tuna in water. 5 ounces of tuna drained with 4 ounces of those. You're just going to need only 2 cans of those. I'm just going to break all the tunas after it's been drained well. Into this one, I'm going to use 1 cup of Real Mayonnaise. I'm also going to plop into these with the Campbell's condensed cream of mushroom soup. I have 10.5 ounces of these. This is what the Campbell's condensed cream of mushroom soup. I already drained 15-ounce can of sweet peas. You can use frozen if you want. I'm also that I drained with 15.25 ounce can of Whole Kernel Sweet Corns. You can also use frozen as well. It doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to give this to a toss. We'll coat it. This has been almost getting tossed well. With these, with the mayonnaise and the mushrooms. I'm going to season up with each a half teaspoon of kosher salt and ground black pepper. Now, I like to try with these for the cheddar cheese. I'm going to try with 8-ounce packages. This has only shredded sharp cheddar cheese, the classic one. And this is only 8 ounces. That's one for the good and gather. So I love to have these cheese inside with these for the tuna casserole. I'm going to put this right in here, the whole packet. Let's keep tossing just a few more while the oven's waiting for me to preheat it. I'm going to put this into the prepared pan. So like I'm saying, I usually line it with aluminum foil to overlap it for easy cleanup. I'm going to finish, keep tossing it, coat it with these for the cheddar cheese. Once you toss that, we're going to put these right into the prepared pan, and this bowl is almost might be so heavy. You know, tuna has a perfect food that came only with low in cholesterol. For those of you who love to have the water pack of tuna, that is usually for the can, some people like oil. But if you're watching the calorie, water has way to go. I'm just going to spread it right over. You can use this, the back of the wooden spoon. Then we're going to sprinkle of those breadcrumbs, coat it with melted butter, keep it nice and crunchy for the streusel toppings. I'm going to go on for the streusel toppings right into here for the medium bowl. I'm going to put a half a cup that I'm going to use for the Italian style breadcrumbs. You can use whatever type of breadcrumbs do you like, seasoned or unseasoned. And I'm going to put it melted butter, 4 tablespoons. going to stir that well. I'm going to sprinkle it right on top of these that is always spread it with tuna and the pasta. So I'm going to sprinkle it right over here. It's going to be good crunch. There we go. So once after you sprinkle that, I like to decide that I carefully smear these of those streusel toppings. Give me crumbs over here that I'm going to use it with clean fingers. I wash my hands really dirty. I usually just a little pat it down very evenly. That might be evenly nice and crunch. We're going to pop these for 425 degrees oven, and we're going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes. And make sure to keep an eye on it in the oven. Alright, it looks done. We're going to take these out of the oven and I'm going to put this on a wire rack to keep it very warm. And you can smell these for the tuna inside with the noodles and the breadcrumbs nice and toasted right on top. And we could be ready to serve. So this is the finished product for the tuna casserole with those egg noodles. And I was going to tell you, you can also try any pasta you want to make it for the tuna casserole for your own, which includes the elbow macaroni, penne, rigatoni, rotini, even the orzo. Or you can also try with rice if you can. But that'd be great. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to view always watch for sharings. Subscribe my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Always remember to smash the like button. As always, I hope you guys enjoy for these for the tuna casserole. I wish you can smell it. Hopefully it's so great. Tuna casserole.